What is this, Rafi? What is this? This is a fragrance bracelet that I have been working on for the past 7 years. Yes, I have. This is the Thompson Ferrier Un Rêve, which means a dream bracelet, because that was my dream, which solved the problem. The problem was I cannot put fragrance on my body, so I had to figure out another solution for it. So I had to make something uber luxury, as I normally do. By the way, this is the packaging. I want you to show it's screaming luxury. It just takes you where everything luxury sits. So now I'm going to take this out. I'm going to show you close up how this works. So everything about this is going to be super close up so you see it. So the whole component of this is I don't want fragrance to touch my body. So I created a ceramic inside of this that I apply the fragrance onto, where this cradle diffuses it as a wrist bracelet on your body. And you open it like this. And by the way, here, let's show you. Wow. This is a ceramic that comes out. It's something that I have developed, which is porous ceramic. Porous ceramic means when you apply the fragrance or the essential oil of your choosing, whatever fragrance you like, it absorbs it. The fragrance is absorbed into this ceramic that's porous. You see, it automatically absorbed it. Then we take this, we put it right into here, and this cradle, by the way, houses the ceramic. As you can tell, when you close this, click, you hear that? Quality, that's what it is. This is all about quality, and very close up. It's perforated on the bottom so that your body heat, when it touches here, as you can see, through on top, it's perforated here, perforated on the sides, so your body heat diffuses. Look at the quality of the work, guys. I want you to see this. This is the unlatching mechanism. So I know, because I've worn this for a year straight to make sure it doesn't tarnish. By the way, this is 18 karat gold plated with enamel. Yes, it does come in white. It does come in black. It does come in 3 different colors. And it is one size 7. That's the size I have. This is a very common size. It is definitely unisex. It is definitely unisex. And many, which I've just launched it, have bought 2, a his and hers or a mom and daughter. This is the black. I have to show you the black as well, because as I say, I have worn this for an entire year. This was something I designed for myself. Look how beautiful that looks. It's called Un Rêve, which means a dream. It was my dream to make this. And as always, I want you to know that here you will get 4 ceramics. They're all washable. You get 1 of these, which has the ceramic in it. This is the packaging that you will get. As always, I have to go overboard on everything. I have to go overboard on quality control. I have to go overboard on detailing. It's just me. But I want you to see how beautiful it is. This is the close-up view, so you know what you're getting. Oh my God, how beautiful is that? It's called Un Rêve. I love you guys.